How to plot a chart with two x-axis or y-axis in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can plot a chart with two x or y-axis in MS Excel. So as here you can see, I have this data right here which represents the month in the first column, and then in the second and third column it represents the sequential profits for a particular month. So here is our first profit, and then here is our second profit. This could also be implied in a way which represents that this is the profit from a particular department and this is from another department of a company. So anyways, apart from that, we will be now focusing on how we can create a chart with which easily depicts these two profits in accordance to their particular month. So the first thing that we will be going to do is draft a chart for this particular data. So in order to do so, simply select all of the data that you want to plot in the graph, then click onto this insert tab over the ribbon. And once you are here, you need to click onto this button under the chart section, and from here you can also click onto this drop down arrow, and from here choose a 2D column. So I have chosen this 2D column right here like this, and you can see that we have plotted a graph like this. Now the next thing that you will need to do is simply select the column. Then you need to select the columns in the chart with a mouse click like this, and then you need to click onto this format tab for this particular graph. Once you click onto this format tab, you can see these different options, and under the current selection you can see the format selection button. So click onto this format selection button and it will open a dialog box over the right hand side. Now from here simply choose secondary axis and then close this dialog box, and now you can see that the profit 1 and 2 have been plotted in this graph, but as you can also notice that the profit 1 is also hiding the profit 2 in most of the cases as it is larger. So in order to avoid this conflict, what you can do is simply right click over to this chart and click onto this change chart type. Now once you've clicked here, you can see a number of different options, so simply go for a line chart and then click onto this OK button. And now you can see that we have successfully depicted two of these x-axis with a singular y-axis in MS Excel. So that's how easily we can create a graph with multiple x-axis or y-axis in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.